In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Smartsheet. If you want a clean, shareable version of your sheet, exporting to PDF is quick and straightforward. Let's start with the most common approach. With your sheet open in Smartsheet, head to the top left corner and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose Export and then select Export to PDF. This opens the export window where you can fine-tune how your PDF will look. You'll see options to choose the paper settings and adjust the margins. Paper settings determine the size of the page your sheet will be formatted to, and margins control how much empty space appears around the content. If your sheet feels cramped or the edges look too tight, increasing the margins can help. You can also add a note to the header. This is a great place to include a project name, a date, a version tag, or any brief context that helps the reader understand what they're looking at. Take a moment to set these exactly how you prefer so your PDF is clear and professional. There's also a second, equally handy way to do this if you're browsing your workspace and don't need to open the sheet first. From the Browse section, find the sheet you want to export, right-click on it, and choose Export to PDF. You'll see the same export options as before: paper settings, margins, and the note to header field. The benefit of this method is speed. It keeps you in your folder or workspace view while still giving you the same control over how the PDF looks. Again, set the paper and margins to match your needs and add a concise header note if you want to provide context for anyone who receives the file. A quick tip as you adjust these settings: think about your audience. If you're sharing with a client or a stakeholder who needs a tidy snapshot, wider margins and a clear header note can make the document easier to read. If you're archiving for your records, keep the formatting consistent across exports so everything looks uniform. And if any columns feel tight, a small margin adjustment can make a noticeable difference. That's all there is to it. You now know two simple ways to export to PDF in Smartsheet with the same set of controls available either from the File menu or by right-clicking from Browse. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.